shed light on the costumes?
Actually, yeah, I'll start first because we can actually reveal who wears the queen costume. Because you will see it in the last 2 minutes of the film. But obviously, the king's costume is Bossing.
Spoiler alert pala yun.
As Lakan,
Yes, Bossing.
eto na ang pinaka-casual ko.
Casual na yan, bossing.
Totoo.
Hey, totoo.
Oo, eto na ang pinaka-casual ni Lakan Makisig. For every occasion, iba yung suot niya. Spoiler alert din, bro.
Spoiler alert eh.
Whatever you can say,
But it helped me a lot. Lalo na sa posture as a king. Kasi kailangan hari ang dating mo.
Yes. Nag-internalize ka
Di
with
pwede
this
nakagano'n na parang enteng kabisote na. Di pwede. So, for me, the costumes, plural, costumes, have helped me a lot in my character as Lakan.
PJ, hi.
Actually, I'm in character right now. The whole time,
Parang poor boy ka dun sa ano.
sobra pong poor.
Okay.
Sobra talaga poor. Kaya lahat ng suot ko pang common tao, and they had to darken my complexion. So every time sa set, even my stash, naka-prosthetics ako, and yung costume ko, mabaho siya. Parang gano'n. Mabaho siya. So, nakatulong po siya sa akin. Kasi walang makalapit sa akin. Lapot na lapot ako, tapos ang dumi-dumi kong tignan. So, yung palang nakatulong na sa akin.
Alright, thanks. Can we hear from the prince and the princess?
The princess.
Well, for me, ito po rin yung costume ko. So, it helps po kapag nakadamit kami at nakapostura dahil nararamdaman namin yung character na aming biniplay.
Pinoportray.
Opo.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, I think costume, it's all tech eh, diba? We wear it, but it's still what's inside your heart, your mind, what you say through your lines. But it really, really helps talaga kapag suot mo na yung costume mo to really jump into your character.
Thank you. Sid.
For me, yeah. As in, crutch po siya. Automatic yun. If I find out na may... if I find out na may costume, it's like, yay, that's half of my job done. Lalo na pag may props. Yeah, masaya pag may props.
Can we hear from Nico?
Yun nga po, the first time I wore this costume, sabi ko kay Direk, wow, napaka-dignified ng utusan na to. So, may ganito, may papin pa. But, ayun nga, nakakatulong, nakaka-enhance ng pag-immerse dun sa character kapag suot man.
Internalize, ano?
Yes, totoo po, ma'am.
Hear from the kid. Zion. Thank you.
Para sa akin po, tulad lang ng sa kanila lahat. Kasi kung naka-dress kami as tambay sa daan. Kapag nakaganon kami, hindi namin mararamdaman na parang kahari, parang prinsesa, tapos gano'n. Kapag kanyari nagaganda, pag-i.
Alright, thank you. Thanks, Rai.
Thank you very much, Leia. And our next set of questions will come from Jill Tan Radovan of Esquire.
Kaya sa ayon?
Ano nga yun?
Pressure.
Hindi ko naiintindihan, bata pa ako eh. Ano yung sabi ng mga words na yun?
What did you not by English? Kasi mukhang...
Tagalog ko.
Ano na-discover mo about tungkol sa kakayahan mo bilang artista ngayon na part ka nung cast ng The Kingdom?
Maayos po kasi nakakaiyak naman ako. Ewan ko talaga kung ano yung sabi ng words mo. Ang baba ng Tagalog. Dimi. May natutunan sa pagiging artista. Okay.
Naintindihan mo na.
Okay. Natutunan ko po sa pagiging artista ay hindi lang mag-a-act. Dapat, ano nga yun? Pakikiramdaman niyo po kung ano yung eksena kasi kapag artista po kayo, dapat kapag iiyak kayo, paano kung ganun talaga yung sitwasyon niyo? Kunyari, si Lakan, si Bossing.
Nagturo ka pa. Nandamay ka pa.
Kunyari, ayun po, yung magiging hari, pero hindi naman talaga kayo hari. Tapos kapag di nyo alam kung paano maging hari, dapat po, babasahin niyo yung eksena. Ewan ko.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zayo.
Okay. Very articulate, ha?
Natutunan ko pong maging totoong Pilipinong artista. Yun po yung natutunan ko, na proud po ako maging Pilipino.
From the bottom of my heart, I learned that I know so little about the craft. I've been working for 20 years, but never have I felt more inexperienced working with giants. It's probably one of my first project at this scale. It's breathtaking, gives me goosebumps, throws me off my center. It's a great challenge, it's a great lesson. It's such an honor to be part of this.
If I may echo what Timmy said, actually, production of this scope, yung pagka-present pa lang when we were doing the StoryCon, may deck lahat ng department, from the PD to the wardrobe to the location. So sabi ko, wow, napakalaki ng pelikula. So it made me, yung cinematography namin talaga, of course, the multi-awarded Miss Shane Saturday. Di ba, paano ko magkakamali? 3 po ang producers namin dito. At lahat po ay binigyan nila ng 100% na importansya yung pelikulang ginawa namin. It only goes to show how much respect we have for the Philippine cinema. Ay yun yung nagpahaplo sa akin na parang pwede naman natin gawin, ba't hindi natin gawin? So with this film, it's a humbling experience for me to be part of something so big and something that we can be proud of as Filipinos. And I'm really honored to be part of this as an artista.
Thank you.
I've been in this business for more than half of my life. And this is the first time na namulat ako sa tunay na buhay ng artista. Well, I've done television shows, I've done movies before, quite a number of movies, but this is the first time na I wouldn't say nahirapan ako, but it's the first time na na-challenge ako. As in, challenge talaga. I mean, you know, like in my character, I can't even raise my eyebrows. Yung ganon. I can't even say, eh. Doon ako komportable. And aalisin mo ako sa comfort zone. That was really hard work for me. And credit goes to my co-actors and of course my director, Direct Mike. We would go over the sequence before we shoot it. I have so many questions. Can I raise my hand? Can I do this? Can I do? No, I cannot. I cannot raise my my voice. I have to change my voice. Hindi pwede yung boses ko sa Itbulaga. Give me 5! Hindi pwede. So it was really a hard work for me. It was a very big challenge. And I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I said yes to this monumentous film. Ay, hindi, totoo.
Ang laki to.
Oo, pati budget, ang laki. Yun.
Thank you.
Ako, natutunan ko bilang artista, habang ka-eksena si Papa P at si Bossing, magpigil ng kilig talaga. Yung pag nakaharap ka sa kanila, yung dapat chill ka lang. Huwag kang, kunyari hindi ka kinikilig. I remember Direct Mike kasi caught me. I had a scene with Papa P. And then, kausap ko na si Miss Camille sa likod. Tapos sobrang kilig na kilig ako. Sabi ni Direct Mike sa akin, sabi niya, ikaw kunyari pa-chill-chill ka lang kilig na kilig ka pala habang kaisa. So, well, on a serious note, that's one. But, I think the biggest learning for me as an actor doing this film is complete trust with your co-actors and also with the production that you're working with. Honestly, sabi ko, selling point talaga, sinabi nila this is a Bossing and Papa P movie. I did not even have to read the script to say yes. Automatically, it was a yes for me. And agad-agad alam ko dahil nandun yung tiwala ko sa mga kasama ko. And of course, I've worked with ATT many times before. And I know kung paano sila mag-alaga and paano sila talagang mag-ingat sa mga projects na ginagawa nila. So I learned complete and full trust with the people that I worked with on this film.
Yes, para sa akin naman, yung regarding dun sa question na kakayahan bilang artista, hindi ko lubos akalain na kaya ko palang tumayo sa parlamento. Kasi para sa akin, yung salitang parlamento palang napakabigat na. Tapos ako gaganap bilang artista. Parang ang bigat nun. At direct kinaya ko naman, diba? Kinaya ko naman. Pero, yun nga, on a seryosong note, napakalaki pasasalamat ko na napunta sa akin itong role na to. Kasi kapag nag-uusap kami ni Direct Mike, meron ako mga sentimiento. At para sa akin, parang nagawa ko siya dito sa pelikulang to. So, hanggang dun lang.
Thank you so much.